What's up guys? So, eto naman tayo for the part 2 of episode 2 ng Dying Light. So, itutuloy natin yung naiwan nating main quest dito, which is pupunta tayo dun sa base ni Rice. Okay, so ang pwede kong gawin muna bago pumunta dun. Kasi for sure na mas maraming zombie doon kaysa kukumpara dito.
My prices are more than fair.
Okay, tingnan muna natin kung ano pwede natin bilhin. Okay, pwede din to. Kunin ko na rin to. Well, nakukuha naman to sa labas, so hindi ko na kailangan bumili. Tapos, nakakalimutan ko din ang subtitle. Palagi na lang. Okay? Right. So, pumunta tayo ngayon sa base ni Rice.
Brecken is so desperate he's ready to deal with the devil himself, Rise. And since I'm supposed to determine whether or not Rice is the one who stole the GRE's secret document, well, this is the perfect opportunity.
Okay. So, gabi ngayon, I don't think na magandang pumunta, I mean, lumabas ng gabi. Pwede ba ako matulog dito?
Jade? Yeah, I copy. Something
Ayun
wrong?
nga pala.
No, it's listen, Crane. We all appreciate what you're doing, and I know you're doing it to redeem yourself, because Amir died saving your life.
Look, I'm doing it because if we don't get Antizin from Rice, people will start to die.
You know, I met Amir right after the outbreak. I didn't know him for that long, but he was the best, most decent man I've ever known. But I just want you to know that I don't blame you. Amir knew the risk. And Crane, we know that you too are taking a risk to do this for us.
Look, Jade, we'll talk when I get back with the Antizin, okay?
Okay. Just come back in one piece, all right?
Okay, so ginagawa ba natin to para ma-atone talaga natin, or well, bad idea talaga lumabas ng gabi. Pero ayoko din matulog. Oh no, never mind. Grabe. Pwede ba dito? Saan pa siya? Oh my god. Hi there. Okay, so bala na. Kailangan natin mag-YOLO paminsan-minsan sa laro na to. Kasi kung hindi, no. Meron ba? Nice one, lockpick. Mas gusto ko yan. Okay. So, dito tayo banda. Ewan ko na lang, bahala na. Hindi umabot. Alis. Ay, oo nga pala. Ooh, no. No? Pwede ba ito? Hindi. Alam ko, pwede itong making ano mo eh. Making base. Ano yun? Woo! No. Kunin ko yun. Kukunin ko yun. Lang makakatigil sa akin. Sana walang volatiles. Ooh, no. Ain't no way I'm going to encounter them. Ain't no way. Ain't no. Ah, shit. No. Takbo lang. Takbo. Oh my god. Grabe. Ayoko nun. Sobrang ayoko nun. Ito ba? So, saan ba? Taas pa? Oh, look here. Okay. Okay. So far so good. Walang volatile. Kasi yun yung talagang problema ko dito. May narinig ko volatile. Saan yun? Ay, nag-over. Ayun nga. Oh no. Sorry. My bad. My freaking bad. Okay, dito muna tayo. So, meron akong skill point ko. Lagyan natin to survival na to ng elemental throwing star. Barter tayo. YOLO. Come on. Dali mo, Kyle. Yeah. Holy. La. Namatay siya? Wait, meron tao dito ah. Fine. Yeah, as expected. Papuno na yung ano ko eh. So, mas mataas ang damage ito. Tapos eto. Okay, good to go. Oh, muntik na. Nope. Layo naman. Base nila. Nice. Oh no. Nasaan yung base ko? Teleport. Hello. Yes, suck it up. Grabe. Buti na lang merong may save zone dito. And ginawa ko na naman. Apakagaling ko naman talaga. Oh no. Haha. Diyan kayo. Nakaabang siya. Ang daya naman nun. Shortcut ako. Oh no! Shortcut nga! So, good for the shortcut. Akala ko makakaano ako dun sa ano na yun. Sana walang volatile dito. Sana walang volatile. Gusto ko talaga tong place na to. Ditong shortcut na. No! Ain't no way! Grabe. Hindi ako natulog for the sake of this night. Wala lang kami volatile dito eh. Mas marami volatile yata dito sa part na to. Kunin ko lang tong herbs na to. Kasi kailangan din ito in the future. Excuse me. Okay. So, pwede tayo makapag-craft ng medkit. At ang tapang ko naman, nag-craft pa ako dito sa open space. Ah, malala to. Teka, ito. Nandito ba ako sa school? Oh. Right. Right. Nasa school ako. Nice. Hey there. Dayo lang po. Dayo lang po ako.
Okay, Rahim, I'm here.
Make sure they see you and know who you are. You don't want to sneak up on them. That's a good way to catch a bullet.
Wish me luck, kid.
Good luck, brother. You're going to need it.
No 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 no. Dali mo kain, dali mo.
Don't shoot! Don't shoot! I'm here to see Rice. Brecken sent me.
Brecken? That asshole in the town? Alright, what does he want?
Come to make a deal.
What kind of deal?
Kind I make with Rice, not with his flunkies.
Alright, let him through. This ought to be entertaining.
Okay. So, andito tayo ngayon sa base ni Rice. Welcome, friend. I doubt.
How long have we been friends, Osman? We have been friends for a very long time. That is why I'm so surprised that you would steal from me.
Haven't I seen you somewhere before?
Now I give you a choice. Very simple. Your right hand or your left? Left.
Ooh.
Was that my left or your left?
Sobrang brutal naman talaga ni Rice.
You have the look of the tower about you. What do you want?
I'm here to make a deal.
A deal. For Fantasy, no doubt. Desperate times. And what do you offer in return? Your services? Your loyalty? Perhaps I should take both.
Talk to Karim. He's one of ours. Do what he asks of you, and Rise will consider giving your people some amnesty. Understood?
Right.
I don't seem to have a choice.
Perceptive.
Sorry guys, medyo masama pa rin yung pakaramdam ko. May mga times na sisiga ako kasi di ko talaga maitiis. Kasi kung di ako suminga, mahirapan ako huminga. Okay, good to go na ako. Thank you. Yeah. Mas advanced talaga sila sa bagay. Mas advanced naman talaga sila Rise eh. Pagdating sa ano nila. Sa
I met
base.
Rice, and Jade's
Resource,
right, he's a psychopath.
military, armory.
He's also the GRE's rogue operative. Now I've got to cooperate with this piece of shit, not only because of my mission, but also because he's got a ton of antizin stockpiled.
Wala talagang tayong choice.
Tower 3.
Uy, sino yun? Trash talk yun ah. Sabay, mamamatay naman kayong lahat sa akin eh.
You here to join?
There you are. Rice said you'd be coming by. I'm Karim,
Crane.
an American. I have an uncle there. Lives in Texas. You from Texas? You a cowboy?
I'm from Chicago.
Okay, Al Capone. We'll be in constant contact over the radio. That way I can make sure you get where you need to go.
And where's that exactly?
You're going to be climbing antenna towers and switching on shortwave radio modulators. Most of my men are too slow, too fat, or too drunk to climb a tower like that without killing themselves.
If I do this, I'll get the antizin?
That's between you and Rice. I know better than to speak for him. Just don't fail. He doesn't handle disappointment very well.
Yeah, I won't fail.
This chicken shit.
Mga tags talaga. Oh, well, yes, naaalala ko to. Well,
Just met a guy named Kareem. He's like Rice's major domo, I guess. Or number one flunky at the very least. Kareem's sending me to fix some antennas for Rice. Nothing better than being an errand boy.
errand boy ka naman talaga eh. Right, so medyo nag-uumaga na. So, pwedeng na tayong magganto. No. 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 Oh, hindi pa pala pwede. Grabe. Naging ano sila. Yes, sir. I'd survive unnoticed. Oh no, eto na naman sila. Takbo! No, ayoko makipaglaban sa inyo. Teka, mali dinadaanan ko. Saan yun? Yeah. 2 hits kayo dito sa weapon na to? What? Uy! What? 2 hits? Okay. Hey. Oh shit. Yep. Ay, kukontak nga pala ako sa GRE. Ooh. Come here. Come here. Uy! Ah! Come on. Woo! Diyan muna kayo. Kontak ka lang, GRE.
Crane.
Report.
Just met Rise. There's no question that's Suleiman. Guy's a psychopath. He's gone from ruthless politician to fucking warlord.
Is he aware of your affiliation with us?
No, he thinks I'm just a guy from the tower. In fact, he's making me jump through hoops before he'll give me any antizin.
Acknowledged. Continue to do as he asks. Remember, we need that file.
Great. Crane out.
Great. Crane out. Wala ka naman choice eh. Ay, nasan sila? Okay. So, doon yata yun. I think. Let's see. Hey. Oh. Takbo mo na! Takbo mo na!
Al Capone, you ready to do this?
Takbo mo na!
What exactly am I doing?
Radio communication has been pretty spotty in the quarantine.
Bakit 2 hits kayo dito sa weapon na to?
Modulators will help boost the signal, so Rise can communicate with outposts at the far reaches of top.
Come.
It's a benefit for everyone,
So-
not just Rise.
Perhaps. But the Emperor must monitor his empire.
So, gagawin ko lang yung strat na yon in case na ayun, in case na magdelikado ako for, you know. Ay, taka dito. Ba't di kay? Okay. Na. Nope. Yes, yes sir, yes sir. Isa ka pa? OP ah. Oh well. Meron pa? Oh! Hindi ka 2 hits. Alis mo na, alis mo na. Ano masyadong buhay. Ah, sakit nila. Ang sakit naman nila. Kaya, oh, what? What? Glitch? Giglitch ka pa sa akin ha, giglitch. No. Giglitch ka pa sa akin ha. Giglitch ka pa. Giglitch pa talaga yun eh, no? Tara dito. Uy, may weapon ka pa ha. Nice. Nag-glitch talaga sila. What the freak? Oops, nope. Kabuhay ka pa? Okay. Check muna natin. Nice one. Kailangan ko to. So, bago muna tayo pumunta dun sa quest location na yon, is puntahan muna natin yung great Rise Thugs. Okay, fine. Na I came with peace. Bahala kayo sa buhay niyo dyan. Hey there. Oops, nope. Nope. Oh, you stun. Oh. No. That's not gonna happen. Saka muna. Yep. 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 Ain't no way. No, ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Kahit masunog pa ako, mapatay lang kayo. Oh no. Oh no. Sige, baba. Ha? Ha? Yeah. One on one. Oh. Ow, my egg. Stay. Stay. Alright, so meron tayong save zone ngayon dito malapit in case na mamatay tayo. Pero pero alam ko naman yon, expected ko na. Sige, yeah. Nice headshot. Saka pa. Care for round 2? No. Grabe. Uy, sa kayo nang galing. Grabe, 25 lang yung ano, nung nire-regen ng ano, health dito sa hard mode. No, jump. No, no. 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 Yakad pa? Kala ko meron pa. Hey! Chichis ka ba na? No? Oh! That's a bad idea. Uy, no! Kukuha lang ako ng resources. Kukuha lang. Diyan ka. Diyan ka. Nope. Diyan ka. Dalihan mo. Oh no 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 no. What? What? Okay. Okay. Fine. Ginusto niya. Ang weird talaga ng Dying Light. I mean, yung mga zombies ng Dying Light.
Kareem, I'm at the first antenna.
If the power's not on, you'll have to turn it on. There'll be a switch in the small building at the antenna's base.
Okay. Yes, as expected. Uy! Muntik na ako nun! Ah! Hindi pala muntik! Oh yes. Napakagaling. Alright. Okay, so take 2. Tignan natin. So, pupunta tayo dun sa small, I think small house sabi. I don't know. Come here. Eh. Come here. Ay, ito na sila. Come on. Ah, kalimutan kita.
I'm shouting because this fucked up infected motherfucker with guts hanging out of his mouth just spit a bunch of toxic snot at me.
Yep. Siyempre, ikaw mo. Jangkat. Oh no. So, asan siya? Ayun. Uy! Nandun din siya. Ah, man. Wala na akong... Seriously? Buti may wrench pa ako. Tuman tayo. Sige. Oh my god. Wait lang. Meron ba tayo pwedeng ano dito? Nightclub ulit. Pwede ba? Pwede. Bahala na. Okay, nasaan ang nightclub? Oh. Buwelo. Hindi pala buwelo. Oh. Ilan kayo? No. Ah, my. Yep. Oh, buntik na. Okay. It's really a bad idea, pero ay. Oh, nope. Kayo na una. No. Woo! Parkour. Please, parkour. Dito ako. Choo! Nope. Stun. Oh! Paano? What? Paano niya nagawa yun? Napaliyab dahil sa spark? Dahil sa spark nung... Well, it's not impossible. Wala ko meron. Yep. No, not today. Isa pa. Oh. Ang dami niya naman. Wait, mayroon. Grabe, meron. Okay, tuloy na natin ulit. I highly doubt na mapapatay ko to ngayon. Yeah. Yeah, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Yeah, what you gonna do? Oh, no. What you gonna do, eh? Eh? What you gonna do, man? Ah! Meron pala. Oh, magalit ka? Ah? Man, what you gonna do, man? No? Kabisado na kita. Hindi. Tingnan, napaspark niya yun? What? Napaliyab niya yun? Uy! Muntik na. Okay, dyan muna. Nope. Uy, na-tilt ko siya na. Oh no! Ako yun, na-tilt. Yeah. We can do this all day. Baka dyan muna ng weapon. Dali. Kailangan talaga dito crafted yung weapons mo. Kasi kung hindi ka tatagal. Okay, let's go.
There! Power's fucking on!
Good. Now head up to the top.
Oh. Yeah, you can't kill it. Yeah, that's what I thought. Ah, paano ko? Hey. Hey, good timing. Yep. Thank you. Oh no. Well, nandun lang naman siya sa loob eh. Pwede na mag-progress, I think. Meron bang pupunta? Meron ba? Gusto ko siya patayin kasi meron mga gusto ko siyang patayin eh. Dito. Yes. How careless of me. Uy. Kala mo di kita makikita. Saan ka pa? Hindi ako nagpapalevel ah. FYI, na nagpapalevel. Pero gusto ko lang patayin to. Uy, na-stun. Kasi gusto ko makuha yung nasa... Bakit ayaw mo? Uy! What? Sorry guys. Masyado akong naging careless. Okay, so speechless kasi kanina ko pa siya tinitira. Kanina ko pa siya hinihit and hindi ko pa siya napapatay. Oh. Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah. Yeah, pagtripan. Pagtripan.
Let me catch my breath now.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. Oh, patayin din natin yan. Ito, patayin din natin. Uy. Pagtripan. Nice one, nice one. Saan ako pupunta, boy? Nasaan ka? Uy. What? Nagpakain siya sa lupa. How cute. Round 2. I'm just kidding. Hindi naman ako maabutan siguro. I think hindi naman niya ako maabutan eh. I mean, get off. Search. Next one. Hindi naman kita mapapatay eh. Fight lang na isa. Fight ulit na isa. Nope. Ain't no way gonna happen that again. Kaya kailangan ko ng bagong weapon. Okay. Alright. Ito na ba yun? So far so good. Paano ko nga ba na ano to? Ayun. Gets. Okay. Mali. Sorry. Yeah. So, health regen. Okay. Kunin natin to. Then, sa power, kukunin natin ay, syempre, combat adept. Fine, let's go. Alright. So, saan tayo dito? Okay, ito. Ito yung medyo, di naman siya sabing boring, pero Yep, puro climbing lang talaga dito. And may chances din na mamatay din ako pag laglag ko. Nakikita nyo naman yung ano dito. Ito. Itong blue na yan. Minsan hindi ako tatama dyan. For sure. Gagawin natin mamaya. Okay. Okay, saan naman? Ito. Teka, ito wala yung volume. Ha? Ano nangyari? Ba't naging ganito yung volume? Or dahil nasa taas ako? No, hindi naman Nah. Anyways. Okay, malapit na ako. I just need to here, then here. So kailangan ko lang turn on yung radio tower. Hey. Pag binaksa ko to. Binaksa ko to. What? Ano nangyari? Okay, so saan yung nasa baba? Okay. So, paano ako bababa? That's my question. Paano ako bababa? Here? No. How about here? Okay lang. Okay lang. So, sa baba pa. Ito. Yeah. Naging ganito yung sounds ko dito sa...
Oh shit, Kareem. Someone already scavenged this thing for parts. There's nothing up here to switch on.
May problema sa sounds. Try natin Just give me a minute. Ano nangyari? Okay, so ulitin natin. I-quit natin. Tapos bumalik tayo sa game.
Just met a guy named Kareem. He's like Rice's major domo, I guess. Or number one.
Okay, so nagkaroon talaga ng problema sa sounds. Which is at least andito tayo. Okay, so it seems na kailangan ko muna i-cut tong video na to, guys. Kasi nagkaroon ng problema sa game, which is hindi ko alam kung bakit. First time lang nangyari sa akin to. Okay, so ang gagawin ko ngayon dito is i-end ko muna tong video na to, and then gagawa ko ng isa pang bago. So magiging 2 uploads dito within this day. And I'm really sorry, guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari dito sa Dying Light. Biglang naging parang, anong tawag doon? Yung sirang earphone. Anyways, thank you, guys. See you later na lang sa susunod na video, which is magiging episode 3. I'm really sorry, guys, kasi gusto ko sana ituloy, pero kailangan. Okay, so thank you guys again, and this is Rewin Loken, and I'm going to sign up just for a couple of minutes. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button and also like my video. Pero yeah, thank you so much guys. Catch you later.